Today I am here to present about the topic statement during the time period of graduate students will must involve in creative activities. So I am going to explain it more about in detail. Here is the preview. So let's begin. As we know, activities are the things that get your brain going in a new and imaginative way. They are all about thinking outside the box, expressing yourself in unique, original way. A student who don't engage in activities might struggle with problem that when they faced any problem, even they are not able to think what they have to do in that situation and condition. Because of the creative, they are able to think something different than the other, and they may can image the ideas through which they can solve their problems. And I'm also mentioned its problem and difficulties. So as you see, a student who do not engage in creative activities might struggle with the limited problem solving skill, lack of innovation and difficulties thinking creative to overcome challenges. It is some challenges through which the person they can overcome. Get creative with arts, music, writing, clothes, new hobbies, brainstorming, and relaxation to boost your problem-solving skill and creativity. To be a creative person, should must take some break, some relax, because sometimes when you thinking more and more, you become so much stressed, and it's effect on your thinking skills, and it's also affect you even you cannot think well, and you are not able to solve that problem that you faced in current situation. Here is the advantage of involving in creative activities. Engaging in creative activities help in developing problem-solving skill, fostering and innovation, enhancing self-expression, reducing stress, and boosting overall mental well-being. As a creative person, even they are more creative, and they feel like when they see something, they start thinking about that thing in a different way than the other. And when talking about the non-creative person, they just think beyond, I mean, inside that boundary, they are not able to think something different than the other. So here is one transition. Now that we have all discussed what is creative activities and how it's helped in different way and problem faced by the student due to the lack of creativity. Here is an example. Non-creative people, they are not able to perform two or more tasks and also have stress. As you see in the picture, even they are the person already they feel stress, and even they are not able to doing any tasks. Well, seen in another picture, the creative people able to perform to more than two tasks without any stress. As you see in the picture, already they are provided. Here is an example of a student who actively participated in creative activities like art, music, or writing may demonstrate enhanced problem-solving skill, innovation thinking, improve self-expression, reduce stress level, and overall better mental well-being. Another reason about why students should must focus on this topic because it's help to provide new ideas, information, and way through which you can reach your own destination. Here is the example. A student who actively participates in the creative activities like art, music, or writing may demonstrate enhanced problem-solving skill, innovation thinking, improve self-expression, reduce stress level, and overall better mental well-being. As we already mentioned in previous slides, here is the one evidence. Saraha, a student who dedicated time to creative activities like painting, poetry, say tangible evidence of success in her academic performance. Her creative pursuit not only enhance her artist skill but also improve her problem-solving ability in various subjects, leading to higher grades and deeper understanding of the complex concepts. This demonstrated how creativity can positively impact academic achievement and overall growth. As you see in the evidence of the one student of Sarah. The another transition is some of you are still thinking about why only we have give the priority to this event. We have also able to involve in other activities. Yeah, sure, but as a student, we have a limited time in which we have to manage all the things, but creativity is one of the things we can found easily in your university. This give us two bonus at the same time, as well as you can study and you can get some ideas through which you can generate your own skill, generate your own planning about your future. Here is one example. In a university, creative activities like theater, clubs, art exhibition, and the poetry reading provide platform for the student to express themselves creatively, fostering a vibrant and dynamic campus culture. These activities not only enhance artist skill but also promote collaboration and critical thinking among students. So get the one example of the university we can get. As evidence because here is all the creative activities where a student can easily involve and generate many more new ideas which help them to push toward the success. As we take the example of the this class of student, they focus on their work because when they finish their class, they try to reach their workplace in time so they can make more hour and earn more money. But as a creative, as thinking in a creative involving creative activities, it might help in your future decision because if you are not creative, even you are not able to take a right decision what you have to do in your future in your upcoming time, even you are just rounding in one bound, you cannot pass through that boundary and you are not able to get success. As you see in the picture, which types of feeling want to bring in your future? It's full of failure, stress, and second one is the happiest success. That means, as you see, how creatives play a role in a student life as well as the not a student, but I mostly focus the student. That's why I'm talking about the student. Here is the conclusion. So I hope I have convinced well about why students should must involve in the creative activity. There is some points. I already mentioned the previous slide, so I don't want to go through that. Here's a final remark. So now throw out your negative and demotive information from your mind, and let's think positive. Make some change. Hence, engaging in creative activities within university, not only in nutritious, artist, talented, but also fosters a culture of innovation and collaboration, enriching the overall educational experience for a student. So I think I convinced you well about the why students must involve in creative activities. If you want something change in your future, if you want to do something better than the other, and something that make you more unique than other, then you should must have to involve in the creative activities. So thank you so much. And if you